A literature review and a review paper, although sound similar in academic writing, but they serve different purposes. Many a times, new researchers wonder about the differences between a literature review and a review paper. If you are the one, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to Research and Publishing series of Explore Bio. The purpose of this series is to help young researchers in their research journey, academic writing, publishing papers, using AI tools, and lot more. And in today's video, you will learn about the basic characteristic of a literature review and a review paper. You will also learn the key differences between the two. You may not find such a detailed yet quick video elsewhere on the internet. So do watch this video till the end. When you begin your research on a particular topic, the first thing you need to do is a literature review. A literature review simply means you perform a thorough research on a particular research area or a research topic. The purpose of doing literature review is developing a basic understanding about the topic. Through literature review, you come to know about what is already known about the work you are interested in. You also find what is unknown, what are the limitations of previous studies, what are the knowledge gaps. It is only through proper literature review a researcher becomes ready to start his or her research journey. Without a proper literature search or literature review, you cannot find a suitable research topic to carry out your future study. If you want to write a research proposal, a research paper, a thesis, a review paper, or deliver presentation, you must do a proper literature review. It broadens your understanding and knowledge about the topic and prevents you from wasting your crucial time in doing research already done by someone else. You come to know about the existing methods and techniques that scientists have used so that you may choose to use them in your research if required. A literature review may not necessarily be a formal publishable document. It is only if you have done a thorough literature review you become capable to defend in your presentations, proposals, theses, and formal publications. So these are the key characteristics of a literature review. Coming on to the review paper. While a literature review provides an overview of a topic, a review paper is a formal scientific publication which analyzes, criticizes, compares, or compiles the existing research on a topic. Review paper reflects scientific thought process of a researcher. Going through a review paper helps new researchers to quickly gain insights about the field of research without going through dozens of different papers and resources. Reviews published in good journals undergo a process of peer review before acceptance. The researchers who publishes review paper gets benefited by earning more citations compared to research paper. To sum up the entire story, a literature review provides a comprehensive understanding of a topic, identifying knowns and the unknowns and the limitations. It forms the foundation for future research and helps identifying suitable topics for research projects and PhD. On the other hand, review paper is a formal publication that critically analyzes existing research, offers valuable insights, and helps researcher earn more citations. So that's all for the today's video. Do mention in the comment about your request and suggestions. Check out my other videos on research and publishing related topics, AI tools, and lot more in my various playlists. Thanks and see you in my next video.